Devsankar this side. Today we are going to discuss regarding uploading or deployment of local web application in Azure environment. We have created one Azure application which is single page application, and we want to upload this on our Azure environment using web app. So before that, I just wanted to discuss some concept. We need to, for that, we need to first of all have we need to create one Azure resource group. This is suppose this is a Azure resource group. I'm just trying to show you Azure resource group. This will contain different Azure resources. For example, we want to create one web app. This is an web app. This will actually hold, this web app actually hold our application in .NET. So first of all, we want to create one Azure resource group and then web app. So going to our Azure portal, first of all, we need to create Azure resource group. So we have to type here resource group. So first option will come. We have to select resource group. If option is not coming, then you have to type the entire word like resource group. And then you can see the first option is coming. So you have to click on the resource group. At the time of the creating the resource group, you will see you need to select your subscription. For me, it is a pay as you go. It can be different for different account. Sometimes it is also free, but for me, it is this option is coming pay as you go. Now we have to give the name of the resource group, which should be unique. So I am writing training resource group. It will check whether it is unique or not. If it is unique, then you can see the green tick mark here. And then you have to select the region. I am in India, so I am writing the India, and then Central India, South India, West India. So we can select Central India. You can select any region, but it is Microsoft recommended that you should select the region which is nearest to you. Then next is tag. We may skip this one, but it is required when you have more than one or many resources, and you and this tag will help you to create to you know this tag actually help you to filter your resource group. Suppose you have 50 resource group you have created for different applications, and you want to update or edit or make some changes in particular resource group. So you have to search your correct resource group. At that time, this tag will help you. We will discuss in another day in some short video. For now, I am skipping this one. Then we have to next review and create. So you can see validation passed. That means whatever I have written in our previous pages is correct. So I can click on create. So resource group is created. You can see it from here. You can go directly from resource group here, or you can go to home. You can see the resource group is on your home page. So you can click on here from here also. So as we have discussed, we have created a resource group which is actually container. Now we have to create one web app. So first of all, inside the resource, we have to go inside the resource group and then click on create. Click on create, and then we have to search here web app. So you can see first option is coming web app. So we have to click on the create web app. Like our previous page, while we are creating resource group, we need to select the subscription, pay as you go, and now the resource group is, we have the name of the resource group is coming. It is training resource group. There is another resource group created by Azure portal, default resource group, but we want to select our own resource group. Then we have to give the name of the web app. This web app name should be unique. So we are writing training, sorry, spelling is TRAINING, training web app. You can see tick mark, that means it is accepted by Azure. And then what is this one we can discuss later. Now, now we have to select our runtime stack. My application in .NET has been created by .NET 6. So we have to select .NET 6 LTS. Then Windows is my operating system, and so that's why I am selecting Windows. If you have any other operating system like Linux, so you can select this one. Now we have to click on our region. This is our, I am from India and Central India. Again, I will select, and then the Windows plan is coming. It is by default, it is whatever the plan is coming. You have to select that one. Pricing plan. Your pricing plan is standard. It is showing it is standard, but since I am just want to give a demo, we want to select some lower one, free. For this, shared, if you are selecting this one, you have to pay 917 rupees per month almost. So for the different plan, you have to pay in the different way. But I am selecting the free one. So then next deployment. Here we are not going to do continuous deployment. That means we are not going to create CI/CD pipeline right now. That's why I'm making it disable. And another is authentication setting. It is not required for now. Next, networking, public access is enable, make it enable on, because we want to make our application URL or where that should our application should be accessible by anyone. That's why I am writing it enable public access, and then go to the next monitor and security. For now, we are not going to here. It will you can say that application insight. It is actually what is application insight. We can discuss later. For now, I am not making it. I am disabling it, and Defender app service. It is again we are not selecting anything. Tags again is required just for the filter. So we are not. We can discuss it later again. For now, I am skipping this one, and then next review plus create. Yes, we can review whatever we have selected here, and if looks everything is fine, then we can click on the create. One thing, it is coming in the red, that means there is some warning. You can see the warning, basic authentication for this app is currently disabled and may impact deployments. Click to learn more. So for now there is a no issue. Actually they are saying like it is, there is a no authentication, it is, and also it is public. So it is there, Azure is providing some warning, but I am fine with that and click on create. Let us see. We can see deployment is in progress. We will wait for some time. You can see step by step it is deploying. So once this deployment is done, that means our web app is ready. Once web app is our ready, you can see deployment is succeeded. So we can go to the resources or from here, or we can see like resource group name is training resource group. That means inside the resource group name, we can we have this training web app, and default, what is default domain, and under the default domain you can see one, sorry, uh, you can go, sorry, you have to go to the home and then click the resource group, whatever you have created, training resource group we have created. You can see inside the training resource group, the training web app is there, app service is there, and then inside the web app you can see the default domain. Default domain is the URL actually where we are going to stage or upload our application, which we have created in local. So if you click on this web app, this URL, you can see your web app is running and waiting for your content. Content means our application. So we need to now upload our application here. So go to our application. We can open our application. We just can see we can run our application. For the first time, it is taking some time. However, this is very simple application, one page only, but it doesn't matter. Like, welcome to MS Azure staging environment. Just forget this one. What is staging environment? What is that? We can discuss later. Welcome to MS Azure. So we are just removing the staging environment. Right now, it is not required. Once our everything is, we have make some changes, so we need to build the solution. Once this solution we have built, then we can click on the publish test app. Test app is our name of our application. You can see it from here. So build and then publish test app. You have to click on new profile and Azure option you have to select because we want to deploy our Azure, our application on Azure environment. Then you have to click on next button. You have to select Azure App Service Windows. Then we can see training resource group, whatever the resource group we have created that is coming. And then inside that resource group, you can see training web app. We have to select that and then finish. Then we are creating close. My the previous action actually, you know, prepared our application for publishing or deploying, and now for the for it is ready for deployment or publish. So you have to click on the publish. This when I click on this publish, it actually starts deploying on Azure Web App. Now publish is succeeded and installation of the web app is going on. It takes some minutes, I mean seconds. Now you can see our application is deployed on Azure Web App, and the URL is name of the web app, whatever that. After then, some random number view word will come, and then name of the region is coming, and this is Azure websites.net is always will always come. So you can see if I click on this button, this URL, we can see our application which we have hosted. Yes, you can see it here. Previously, it was coming like this, but if we refresh this page, we can see the same thing like here because we have uploaded. Now you can see once we refresh this, our application, you can see our application is running on this particular way. So that's all for today. So we have actually today seen like how we can deploy our web application on Azure platform. That's all for today.